painkillers like ibuprofen or acetaminophen. But is this golden spice truly strong enough to relieve mild and even chronic pain? Or is it just another internet myth? In today's video, we'll dive into the science behind turmeric, compare it to traditional painkillers, and find out if it's a safe and effective alternative for pain relief. Stick around until the end to see if it's worth swapping your pill bottle for nature's remedy. Introduction to turmeric and painkiller problems. Turmeric, famous for its active ingredient curcumin, is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. On the other hand, over-the-counter painkillers like ibuprofen are the go-to choice for headaches, muscle pain, and inflammation. However, these medications come with risks, such as stomach issues, liver damage, and long-term dependency. This is where turmeric steps in, promising a more natural alternative with supposedly fewer side effects. But is it really all it's cracked up to be? How does turmeric work in the body? When you consume turmeric, your body absorbs curcumin, which directly targets inflammatory processes. Studies show that it blocks specific molecules that cause pain and inflammation, working in a way similar to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs. However, turmeric has a limitation: bioavailability. This means that your body doesn't absorb curcumin as easily as it absorbs a painkiller pill. But don't worry, there are ways to boost its effectiveness, like pairing turmeric with black pepper or healthy fats, which significantly enhance absorption. Effectiveness. Turmeric versus painkillers. Here's the key point. Clinical studies reveal that turmeric can be as effective as ibuprofen for conditions like osteoarthritis and muscle pain, with the added benefit of fewer side effects. In a study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine, arthritis patients using turmeric reported similar pain relief to those using ibuprofen. However, while painkillers act quickly, turmeric requires consistent use for its effects to become noticeable. Safety and side effects. Painkillers can cause serious issues like stomach ulcers and liver strain, especially when overused. Turmeric, when consumed in moderate doses, is considered safe for most people. However, excessive amounts may lead to gastrointestinal discomfort or interact with medications like blood thinners. So while turmeric is a more natural alternative, it's not entirely risk-free. Who is turmeric ideal for? If you suffer from chronic pain, such as arthritis or back pain, or want to avoid synthetic medications, turmeric can be a great option, if used correctly and with medical guidance. However, if you need fast relief for a sudden headache or high fever, traditional painkillers may still be the most practical choice. The key is balance. Use turmeric as a complement, not an absolute substitute. Closing and call to action. So, which is the better option? The answer depends on the type of pain, your routine, and your personal preference. Turmeric offers natural, sustainable relief, while painkillers provide a quick solution. Now that you know the pros and cons of each, share this video with someone who needs to hear this information. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment about what you use for pain relief, and don't forget to turn on notifications for more health tips like this.